Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel 5a and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can open the options. As you can see, we will have to slide down this kind of bar, this pop-out window, and here on the third position we've got the timer. So we've got three different options. The timer is off right now, so as you can see, this icon with crossed out clock is highlighted. We've got also 3 or 10 seconds delay. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option. I will pick 10 seconds. As you can see, it is notified right here. This option is highlighted. What's more, after tapping, after actually getting back to the camera, you can see that it is notified inside the shutter button. So you can always check if you've got the timer set. So basically all you have to do right now is to simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on it will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo, and basically that's it. If you want to, you can of course not remove it but turn it off just by tapping again on this icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Google Pixel 5a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.